Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today here, Virgo. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Wow, center of my spread, I see the Six of Wands, card of victory. Okay. All right, Virgo. Some decisions are being made here. Two of Swords in reverse, bottom of my deck. Some decision either needs to be made or is being made. I don't know. But somebody's, even though there was a lot of passion here, somebody is maybe opting to be single here, single right now. Bring a death to something that they really wanted. They wanted to have victory, but there's been a bit of conflict here, maybe because of a third party, maybe. Somebody is not stepping up to the plate, they're not kind of being there 100%, and that's leading to some kind of stagnation here. Virgo, before I start your reading, let me take some dialogue message cards and then we'll clarify all these cards. So, Virgo and their partner spirit, if they had to say something to each other. Virgo and their partner. Virgo and their partner, they had to say something to each other now, Spirit. Okay. And let's take a couple more from here, Virgo. Alright, good to go. Let's start our reading, Virgo. Let's see what's going on. The first card here says, I eventually had to let go in the physical world because the pain became too much for me to bear. My emotional, mental, physical well-being became affected negatively. I'm still fighting my own inner demons where I felt that I wasn't good enough for you, or the guilt of wondering whether I walked away too soon. Sorry, excuse me. Like I said, there is somebody here who's thinking of being single now and putting an end to some passionate connection here. Maybe there was a lot of hope to be, together forever, wanted victory in this. But I do see somebody's having to let go. Maybe they've always kind of made them feel small, that maybe it's not coming together because I'm not good enough, or I'm not, worth this connection, or when they do leave, they wonder, should I have waited a little more? Could it have gotten better? So there's a lot of conflict here. You have half our gifts, I the other. If you would only work with me, instead of being silent and shutting me out, we could overcome any obstacles together and heal in sacred union. So somebody's been waiting for a long time to combine forces. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that. The thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. Maybe one partner is with somebody else, and there is one person who's always kind of waiting and single, or feeling single because their partner is not with them but with someone else. I love you not only for your beauty but for your soul. Our love will be alive forever because of the way you are. Pure, true, authentic, real, raw and passionate. Life seems so complicated for us. Sorry, my throat is choking up. Life seems so complicated for us. My mind often drifts to thoughts of us escaping reality to somewhere really quiet where we too can be alone. You were in my dreams again last night. I always dream of you every night. You are my ultimate fantasy. Don't let the past dictate the future. Let's get away together and disconnect from the world. Now, these are two references to somebody saying we can't, be together in the 3D real world, or, around friends and family, or maybe there are multiple families involved here. So, there are two references to somebody saying, I wish we could just kind of leave and go away somewhere and be alone. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. Okay, Virgo, if you're resonating with these messages, sorry, I'm so sorry. If you're resonating with these messages, let's start clarifying these. Let's see what the story is here. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to top the reading, see how my angels can help the situation with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo. Spirit. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Love. I don't know why this card is here, but there seems to be, maybe there is true love here, and somebody is kind of losing hope in it. Okay, Virgo, let's see what's going on then, okay? Ace of Wands. What's this Ace of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles, Spirit, for Virgo? There is love here, I think. There is somebody here who wants to return back to their person. There is communication which is coming. One second. Why is the Ace of Swords there, Spirit? Why is the Ace of Swords? Yeah, somebody is not happy. Somebody is not happy. Maybe you guys have not been talking to each other here, Virgo. Somebody's still got a lot of passion. They want to return. They want to communicate. They want to step up to the plate and prove to be the King of Pentacles. And they're not happy either. Whoever this Nine of Pentacles person is waiting for, they are not waiting in vain. That's all I can say. Somebody has not been not been clear maybe of their intentions or in their actions, but now somebody really does want to step up to the plate. They're not happy either, okay? And they are still kind of wanting to fight for this connection one more time. They're not willing to give up, even though maybe there may have been a small disconnect recently. Nine of Pentacles, Spirit. Nine of Pentacles and the Death card. Nine of Pentacles and the Death card. Yeah, somebody is coming. I just said that. Somebody really wants to rush towards their person and bring in a transformation to the way things were. I don't think either of you are really happy without each other. No wonder the Love card is here. There is love here. There is love here. What's this Death card, Spirit? What's this Death card? What's this Death card for Virgo? Death card for Virgo. Death card for Virgo. Yes, there is some kind of a transformation which needs to be brought in, Virgo. If there is a third party here, I think that will soon be dropped. There is a feeling of, if there is another feminine energy, maybe a wife or somebody significant, some other significant woman, I think somebody is going to be dropped, and a transformation needs to come in or is wanting to come in by this masculine who's not happy. They want to rush towards this Nine of Pentacles person who is waiting for them, it seems, and they want to bring in this change, and they want to drop anything that doesn't work in their life. Four of Wands. Four of Wands. Four of Wands. Yes, in case you guys have not been talking to each other till now, Virgo, somebody wants to bring back balance to this connection, and they do want this, you know, long term, stable foundation with their person. There is victory here. Why is the Six of Wands here, Spirit? Why is the Six of Wands here? Yes, somebody wants to be victorious. They don't want to, kind of waste their life looking back in regret and sorrow and feel, oh my God, why didn't I take action when the time was right? Yes, they are, somebody is contemplating here, thinking, what should I do? What investment should I put? What makes me happy? What doesn't make me happy? And then they've kind of come to that realization that I want to come out of this feeling of, looking back at the past with regret and sorrow. And that's not the kind of life I want to see myself in the future. So somebody is actively planning, thinking, contemplating as to how they can make changes and achieve victory in their life, in their connection. But there seems to be a bit of conflict around them, maybe competition. Five of Wands. What's this Five of Wands? Five of Wands. Yes, if there has been a fight between the two of you, let's say Virgo, somebody wants to rush in, wants to make things right. They want to come and tell their person that, hey, you're the one I see as my Queen of Pentacles. And they want to heal this heartbreak, I think, that's happened between the two of you. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Pentacles in reverse. If there was a third party situation by chance, Virgo, or whatever was not working between the two of you, and I think this is going to be soon over, because immediately after I asked what's this third party, it's in reverse, and so is the boredom and neglect and feeling abandoned card in reverse, and then it gets clarified by the Two of Cups. Now this is love, right? This is pure love. No wonder the love card came out. I was wondering why it was there, but it shows me that two people are very, very connected. So if there's been any kind of disconnect here and somebody hasn't been taking action, they are not going to give this connection up that easily. They're coming to fight for it one more time. They want to. They're not happy either. Page of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Page of Swords in reverse. Page of Swords in reverse. There are some delays here. Maybe there's gossip, there's people around you. This connection may have been going very, very slow, but somebody is now kind of understanding all that and wanting to start from scratch once again. They are wanting this Wheel of Fortune now to move in a positive direction. After all these delays that have happened, Page of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, these are all stagnation cards, right? But then it gets clarified by the Nine of Swords in reverse, which is end of those lonely, sleepless nights, feeling anxiety, feeling upset, not being, depression. And yes, somebody is coming with a message to say, or maybe a gift, who knows, coming to say, hey, can we begin again? I want us to move forward in a positive direction. So if there's been any kind of fight here, there definitely seems to be somebody who is now making a decision. It could have been a decision between two paths, I don't know, but this is not the end from what I feel. Page of Pentacles in reverse. What's this Page of Pentacles in reverse? Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles in reverse. That is a bit of stagnation. That's all I can say, Virgo. There is not a bit of stagnation, there is a lot of stagnation here. Maybe there are gossip mongers or people in this person's ear, I don't know. Whoever this masculine energy is a bit stuck right now. Not only are they stuck, they are actually feeling a little embarrassed and ashamed of the position they find themselves in. Maybe people have kind of brought them, like I kind of gossiped about them or made them feel bad about the path that they are planning to follow. This person is going through the dark night of the soul at the moment, and that's the reason they haven't been taking action. But their heart space, they definitely do. They are just waiting, I think, for the right opportunity to make their move to get victory with the person that they really love. There is a Two of Cups here, Virgo. There is love here. Now, if you're the feminine watching, you don't have to wait forever. You continue your life. If this person can ever get out of whatever situation there is, they will come back. And if not, please know that there was genuine love here. This person is feeling very stuck, feeling embarrassed, ashamed, feeling everything is over, feeling very, very stuck. There's the Page of Swords in their energy, which means gossip or, not being able to have clarity in their life as to which path to take. They want to, but anything else, Spirit, for Virgo? Any advice for Virgo? Yes, Spirit is saying concentrate on yourself, concentrate on not being alone. That's very, very important for you, Virgo feminine, if you're watching. You have to, kind of work on yourself, on your pentacles maybe, on your success. Work with other people. Maybe other people can help at this point. There is a new passionate beginning about to begin. This could be with the same person. Right? I have a feeling, my gut feel says this person is going to be back. And it's going to be a fiery, passionate new beginning for the two of you, because there is love here. And I don't see any, narcissistic behavior or manipulation. All I see is that they're going through a very difficult time and feeling very stuck. Okay, but of course they could be stuck for the next 20 years. You don't have to wait for that. If that's validation that you need, I'm giving it to you. This person is just in a circumstance where they can't get out of at the moment. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Virgo. Hope it worked for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.